Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to find the solutions from the lesson Determinants. Let's look at the first question from exercise 4.1. Evaluate the following determinants. They have given two subdivisions. Let's start with the first one. So it is x squared minus x plus 1. Here there is x minus 1, there is an x plus 1 and another x plus 1. So in order to evaluate the determinant, we know that we have to cross multiply these two first minus the cross multiplication of these two. So let's do that. So this is x squared minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus of x minus 1 into x plus 1. So now that we are doing the cross multiplication, let's look at this particular form. This looks of the form a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is going to be reduced to a cube plus b cube, because that's a formula. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this product will be reduced to x cube plus 1 minus of, now this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So after reduction it will become x squared minus 1 square or simply 1. Now let's remove the negative sign. So x cube plus 1 minus x squared, minus of minus is plus 1. So the final answer will get reduced to x cube minus x squared plus 2. Now let's look at the second determinant. Here it is given as cos of 90 degrees minus cos of 45 degrees, sine 90 degrees and sine 45 degrees. So first, before we do the cross multiplication, let's write out the value of cos 90 minus cos 45, sine 90 and sine 45. So cos 90 is 0 minus of cos 45 is actually 1 by root 2. Now sine 90 is 1 and sine 45 is just 1 by root 2. Now let's perform the actual cross multiplication. Remember, this has to be multiplied first. So 0 into anything is 0 minus of 1 into minus root 2 is minus 1 by root 2. Now you can evaluate, minus of minus will become plus. So the final answer is 1 by root 2. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.